states that continue to lead the case surge: Florida, California and Texas. But several other states across the country are seeing cases rise substantially. And with that, additional pressure on those at the front lines saving lives.
It's extremely busy. So we're full. Our waiting room's full. All our areas are full. We see a lot of patients that are there for COVID-related symptoms or complications. We also have a lot of patients who come in for completely other reasons and are very sick from other pathologies. And so we're dealing with those patients as well.
A new day too for Major League Baseball, with more than a dozen Miami Marlins players and staff testing positive for COVID-19, with Major League Baseball barely getting its much-delayed season underway, now forcing the league's boss to defend their COVID-19 protocols.
We built the protocols to allow us to continue to play. That's why we have the expanded rosters. That's why we have the pool of additional players. And we think we can keep people safe and continue to play.
And amid a push from the White House for faster reopenings, including schools in the weeks ahead, Google's parent company Alphabet giving its 200,000 employees and contract staff the option to work from home for the next year, despite the optimistic tone from the White House about a V-shaped economic recovery.
If therapeutically we come up with some answers very quickly, which I think we will, then you're going to have a tremendous recovery. Likewise with the vaccines, if you do that by the end of the year, that's ahead of schedule, substantially ahead of schedule, and it's ahead of anything that's ever taken place in terms of vaccines before.
And as expectations grow for a safe and effective vaccine, the first phase 3 clinical trial starting Monday in the US in a collaboration between Moderna and the National Institute for Allergy and Infectious Diseases.
We're quite encouraged by the progress. The phase 3 trial is a little bit beyond our control in terms of timing because it's a case-driven study. But presuming that we are able to accrue cases relatively quickly in that study, we would hope in the fall or towards the end of the year we'd have data that we could submit to the FDA.
Just one of several companies in the race to find the immunization formula that could be a bridge to eradicating a virus so broad in its scope and so devastating to so many. Sherwin Bryceby's SABC News, New York.